All the good BAS professionals are taken. As a business owner, what can you do? Hi, my name is Phil Zito, and I'm the founder and CEO of Building Automation Monthly, where we help companies to train and develop their technical staff so that they can execute their building automation work profitably and proficiently. So if you look at the market right now and you're trying to find a BAS professional, chances are if you find anyone who knows exactly what you need them to know, we're talking high-skilled professionals, either they are going to be not really that good because they're on the market, I'm just being honest with you, or they're going to be extremely expensive to the point where you can't afford them. Because right now it is definitely an employee's market. If you have technical skills, it's definitely in your favor. So what do? As a business owner, you've forecasted out, you know you need folks. How can you close that gap? Well, I'm going to give you a couple non-traditional areas to look at as far as where you can go and find talent for building automation. So the first area I'm going to talk about is test and balance. So test and balance is somewhere I used to hire from quite a bit, and I've had a lot of successful hires getting folks from the test and balance side of our trade. And the reason why is they understand all of the HVAC control theory that we need them to understand to execute work. Oftentimes they've had to work with the building automation system to interface and put in their test and balance values. And most importantly, they understand how the construction process works, which cannot be undervalued. That is a huge set of knowledge right there. So test and balance folks are one of my preferred hires. Additionally, on top of that, I like to look at folks from the Air Force and from the Navy, specifically in the technical trades. I myself am biased. I came out of a technical trade of the US Navy. I worked on missile systems. And so I had electromechanical and hydraulic and ladder logic knowledge coming into this trade. So it really assisted me in making sure that I was able to succeed. Now, that being said, the nice thing about hiring folks from the military, one is the discipline, right? Two is understanding what to do and getting things done when it comes to work ethic. And three is that they understand how to read documentation. It cannot be underestimated how important being able to read documentation and diagrams is to our industry. Oftentimes, we spend a fair bit of time Googling and searching up manufacturer documents to try to figure out how to make things work. So that is a really important skill. Additionally, you know that they will have the technical aptitude, especially if you're hiring from technical trades in the former military employees. So the third place I like to look. Now I'm not going to give you mechanics. Mechanics are great, but they're an obvious one, right? Look at mechanics. They have the HVAC knowledge. Look at electricians. That's another obvious one. They have the electrical knowledge. But one that I like to hire from actually is network folks, IT network folks. Now that surprises a lot of people because you don't think HVAC controls when you think IT networking folks. But really think about it. They're familiar with going and working with physical systems. They're familiar with wires. They're familiar with electrical theory because they have to set up Ethernet connections. They have to go and troubleshoot network connections. They have to work with networking devices. They have to work with supervisory devices in a sense. They have to work with routers. The only thing they don't have is the HVAC knowledge. They often do have the electrical knowledge. So if you can accept that you're going to have to teach them the HVAC knowledge, then IT networking folks are actually a really good hire. And the beauty about IT networking, at least at the entry level, is it's very affordable to hire folks from that side of the world. So with that being said, 3 areas I recommend you look at for making sure that you have a talent pool you can draw from: test and balance, former military, and networking IT specialists. That being said, if you have any questions related to what I discussed in this video, I'd love to talk with you in the comment section below. And if you're looking to train up and develop new hires, then definitely reach out to us. We can help you assess their skill levels, and we can help you then develop a customized training plan to ensure that they become profitable and proficient as fast as possible. Thanks a ton. Have a great day.